octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood that helps them thrive in cold ocean depths. They can change color and squeeze through tiny spaces thanks to their soft, flexible bodies. Dolphins use clicks and whistles to communicate and hunt in groups called pods. They are highly intelligent mammals that breathe air and can leap high out of the water. Sharks have rows of replaceable teeth and an amazing sense of smell to detect blood miles away. Some species, like the great white, can grow over 20 feet long. Caterpillars eat lots of leaves to grow fast before turning into butterflies or moths. They spin silk cocoons or form chrysalises during their amazing transformation. Crocodiles can live up to 100 years and have the strongest bite of any animal. They lurk in rivers and swamps, snapping up prey with powerful jaws. Crabs walk sideways, using their 10 legs, and grow new ones if lost. They have hard shells for protection and scuttle along ocean floors or beaches. Sawfish use their saw to slash prey in the water or pin them to the seabed before eating. Dogs have over 300 million smell receptors, far more than humans, to track scents. Loyal companions, they come in hundreds of breeds and live 10 to 13 years on average. Starfish have tough, spiny skin made of calcium carbonate that acts as armor against predators. Pufferfish teeth are fused into a beak powerful enough to crush shells and coral. Whales have streamlined bodies and large flippers and flukes to propel themselves through water. Hammermead shark teeth are uniquely shaped by position, with pointed front teeth for grasping and flat back teeth for crushing shellfish. Seals can hold their breath underwater for varying times. Harbor seals can stay submerged for up to 30 minutes. Many stingrays hide by burying themselves under sand with only their eyes showing. Ducks have waterproof feathers and special feet that help them swim and stay warm. The common cooked lobster turns red due to proteins breaking down from heat exposure. Some male frogs carry tadpoles on their backs to protect them. Frogs have existed for over 200 million years, surviving multiple mass extinctions. Ducklings can recognize their mother's call among many other sounds. Some species of ducklings can dive underwater shortly after hatching. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water at once and survive for long periods without water. Their humps store fat, which they can use for energy when food is scarce. Turtles are reptiles that have existed for around 215 million years. They belong to one of the oldest reptile groups in the world, even older than snakes, crocodiles, and alligators. Walruses use sensitive whiskers to find food and tusks to climb onto ice. Chimeras are closely related to sharks and rays, but they branched off from sharks nearly 400 million years ago. There are over 800 different types of eels, and they live in oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds all around the world.